scientists create self-replicating living robots. Xenobots, tiny biological robots created from frog cells, can now self-replicate, according to a recent research paper. The Xenobot's similarity to the video game character Pac-Man may be its most striking feature at first. These odd robotic animals are a follow-up to last year's world-first robots made completely of live cells, in this instance frog embryonic stem cells, according to Science Alert. Bongard and his team have now enabled the Xenobots to self-replicate and produce new copies of themselves. In this scenario, self-replication isn't performed by normal biological reproduction methods. Instead, scientists discovered that clustering xenobots on a lab dish piled up loose frog cells floating in the fluid. Stacking enough of the cells together created a type of xenobot progeny capable of swimming alone and stacking up its own offspring. The xenobot's spontaneous kinematic self-replication has been seen in other molecular machineries and models, but not in live multicellular systems. The researchers used pluripotent stem cells from African clawed frog, Xenopus laevis, embryo skins to create self-replicating robots. When a dozen first-generation creatures were placed in a second dish containing dissociated stem cells, the organism's movement clumped the stem cells into piles, forming a new generation of organisms. The same dissociated stem cells in solution did not self-assemble, indicating they required the progenitor xenobots to initiate the process. The fact that this kinematic self-replication behavior has never been seen in plants or animals shows how quickly biological entities may adapt and alter in reaction to their environment, the researchers said in their report. The scientists discovered that artificial intelligence might intensify the phenomena by simulating self-replicating settings. The Semitaurus form, Pac-Man in 3D, worked best for building loose frog cells into new creatures, and adding barriers to the environment, limiting the xenobot's mobility, also helped. These strange organisms might one day conduct meaningful labor if we can figure out how they operate and assign them the correct duties, according to researchers at the University of California, San Diego.